Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the book and capture tool so results are usable. Place the page flat. Once done, set your camera or scanner to about 300 dpi and consistent lighting to avoid shadows. Make sure pages lie open without distortion, and use a tripod or phone stabilizer if possible. You want sharp, evenly lit images because OCR accuracy depends on image quality. Therefore, take a test shot and inspect for blur, skew, or glare before moving to full capture. Once you have clean images, process them to improve OCR results. Crop tightly, deskew, and increase contrast so text stands out clearly. Upload or load images into an OCR tool and select the correct language and dictionary. This reduces errors dramatically. Then run a batch OCR pass and export to the format you need, such as TXT or DocX. Make sure to check page order and that line breaks are preserved. If accuracy matters, enable layout retention for columns and headings. You finish by verifying and correcting the extracted text so it's reliable and usable. Read through or use automated spell check and pattern checks for numbers, formulas, or uncommon names. This catches OCR mistakes. Once corrected, re-export with preserved pagination or add citations if you'll reference pages. Finally, back up both the original images and the final text files in two places. If OCR fails repeatedly, try a different OCR engine or increase image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.